Kotsi e diragetse fa o lebile mo tseleng e sokamelang ka kwa Middelfontein. Go begwa fa nngwe ya dijanaga tse tharo tse ile ya thunya leotwana mo mokgweetsi a latlhegetsweng ke taolo le go thulana le dijanaga tse di neng di ba lebile. Paki e ke mongwe yo a falotseng kotsi ga mmogo le ngwana wa gagwe.
This man was overtaking. Unfortunately, he rolled to the same direction with us. Then I was driving in the slow lane. Then the Mini Cooper was in the fast lane. Then he hit the Mini Cooper. Then the Mini Cooper rolled to my car.
Mongwe wa dipaki o tlhalosa se a se boneng pele ga tiragalo.
We were driving this morning around 10 a.m. So on our way, we just see this car coming off the road and from its lane, coming to the oncoming traffic that is us, and we had to sway and go, also move from our own lane to the oncoming. And unfortunately, some of them couldn't move in time, so there was a head-on collision.
Khabagare lefapha la dipalangwa le ikuetse gape go bakgweetsi go kgweetsa ka kelotlhoko.
It's alleged that it is the tire burst that has caused the accident, and we want to confirm that the survivors that are here with us on the scene, they are confirming that they're buckled up. So it means that if you buckle up, you can be able to survive a car accident.
Tselafefo e ne ya tswalelwa di ura di le mmalwa mo pharakano e neng ya tshwanela ke go dirisa mmila mogolo wa R101.